Hey guys, I'm exploring in Switzerland. Today, I'm gonna go to Zermatt to see a lake called Stirsee. I'm gonna show you. Let's go! Good morning, Matterhorn. I go to a station to get a ticket for Zunega by gondola and Brown-Herd by ropeway. Yep, I like easy way to go. I could think I'm a main character, but it was not because I was on a long way. I'm lost. There is a turret. Looks like comfortable. Finally, I made it. There are many fish swimming. A little bit gross. I don't know at all if we are really on rivers or not. People try to fit a chocolate on the Matterhorn like this, as if people play with the chocolate. Oh my gosh! I brought onigiri for lunch. Perfect!